If Photopea is giving you a loading error, freezing, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. These methods are simple, safe, and work for most browser-related issues without needing to reinstall anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, let's check whether the problem is coming from your browser extensions. The easiest way to test that is by opening Photopea in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A private window will open, and then go to Photopea and try loading it again. If Photopea works in Incognito Mode, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the loading error. Most often, it's an ad blocker, privacy extension, script blocker, or something similar that interferes with the site. If Photopea loads in Incognito but not in your normal browser, the next step is to disable extensions one by one. Start with anything that blocks ads, tracking, pop-ups, or scripts. Extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or other security tools can sometimes stop Photopea from running correctly. Go into your browser's extensions menu, turn them off temporarily, and then refresh Photopea. If the editor starts working after that, you've found the issue. You can leave that extension disabled for Photopea or add Photopea to the extensions allow list so it won't block it in the future. If extensions are not the problem, the next thing to do is clear your site data for Photopea. Sometimes the browser saves broken cache files or cookies that can cause loading errors, lag, or a blank screen. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Site Settings, and find the stored data for Photopea. Remove the cache and cookies for that specific site, then reload Photopea from scratch. This often fixes corrupted session files and gives you a clean start without affecting every other website in your browser. Now, if you're still having trouble, try switching browsers. Photopea usually works best in modern browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. If you're using one browser and it keeps freezing or not loading, open the same website in a different browser and test it there. A browser update, a temporary bug, or a compatibility issue can be enough to break the editor in one browser but not another. So if Chrome fails, try Firefox. If Firefox fails, try Edge. This simple switch can save a lot of time. There's one more important fix to know about. Sometimes Photopea itself is fine, but a specific project file is corrupted or too heavy and causes the editor to freeze when you try to open it. If that happens, don't start by drag and dropping the file again right away. Instead, open Photopea with a blank project first and then use File, then open to load the file manually. That can help you isolate whether the issue is the browser, the project file, or the way it's being imported. If the blank project opens normally but one file does not, the file itself may be damaged or unusually large. So to quickly recap, start with Incognito Mode to check for extension problems, disable blockers if needed, clear Photopea site data, switch to another browser if the issue continues, and if one project file breaks everything, open a blank project first and import it through File, open instead of dragging it in. These steps solve most Photopea loading errors without complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Photopea, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.